Yo YouTube, this video today is going to be showing you how to get Taz Face in 2K26. This is a brand new NBA 2K26 Taz Face glitch. I've spent a long time watching other tutorials and also watching, searching on YouTube. And yeah, the Taz Face is pretty awesome. I'm going to be showing you how to get the all black Taz Face for completely free. So it's going to look like this. Yeah, so before I show you this, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm always searching for new VC and Taz Face glitches and stuff like that, guys. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone internet browser. You can see I'm using my iPhone here. Just basically, this is going to get you a locker code that you can redeem, and it is going to supply you the Taz Face. So you need to go to www.crashcoupons.com. So use your internet browser and type it like this. And if you haven't seen this website before, I highly recommend you bookmark them, because they actually have so many different codes on here. So I recommend just using the search bar to find the NBA 2K26 codes page here. And there is a bunch of different codes, and these are really popular. You can see thousands of people have used these codes. So scroll down, and here we go. This is the NBA 2K26 Taz Face unlock. So this is going to unlock the Taz Face glitch in NBA 2K26. And like I said, this is a locker code that you can redeem in your game, and it is going to give you the Taz Face permanently on your account. This is the quickest, easiest, and most reliable method, guys. The reason I call this a glitch is because this locker code is basically a secret one, and you need to unlock it. So as you can imagine, people take all of these limited codes. So what you want to do is click on this button, and you've got to follow the instructions on this screen here to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. You need to complete 2 of the 3 tasks. So as you can see, I've got 2. You may see slightly more than these, but these are all completely free, and they only take about 5 minutes each to complete, guys. You just got to make sure you follow the instructions below each of the applications you see, because that tells you what to do to complete each one. And it says here your code will be automatically unlocked once complete. So just fully complete 2 tasks, and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your NBA 2K26 Taz Face unlock locker code will be revealed, and you redeem it in game, and that is going to give you the Taz Face. So yeah, I hope you found this video useful, guys. Just a quick one, I needed to upload it, but yeah, go to Crash Coupons. If you need any assistance, let me know, but it is super easy. Just look for the Taz Face code on the 2K26 page. If you need any help, let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.